Hey guys, so sorry it's been a while since I posted anything, but I actually got called back to work after being off for 2 very long months. And I work at a flower shop, so the last week has been extremely busy with Mother's Day, which is a great thing, by the way, because we didn't know what to anticipate. But with that, I will still be posting videos, hopefully about once or twice a week, so not as often as you're used to, but I promise that I'll keep them coming. And don't forget that if you want that to happen, to click that like button and subscribe below, and I will keep the crafts coming and keep those kids entertained. So the craft we're going to do today is a marshmallow shooter. So you're going to need a bag of small marshmallows, some scissors, a balloon, a toilet paper roll, and some duct tape. And you're going to take your toilet paper roll and your balloon, and you're going to cut the end off of your balloon about halfway through, like so. And then you're going to take the other end and tie the knot. And close that up like that. Then you're going to put on your toilet paper roll at the end, stretch it over that and make it really tight. And then just so that you don't have to hold it while you're shooting it, we're going to duct tape it down. Okay. Like so. That way it's on there really tight. All right. And then all you have to do is take some marshmallows and load it in, and then we will launch these babies. All right. So now all you have to do is pull back on that lever and shoot, and there goes your marshmallows.